Up we go. Take it up and just let it sit there for a minute. Get itself sorted out. Bit of a wave. The sun in a bad spot there, so there's the sun of their back. Yeah, that wind's getting up a bit now. Okay, up we go. Forward we go. I'm trying to learn the pinch grip method on the control. Rather than I've always used just my thumbs, but they tell me that the pinch grip method is a bit more accurate, so I'm getting there slowly. A bit of a pan around. Round she goes. Bring that back home. This thing's got to return to home, but I'm sort of bringing it home manually. As long as I can see the drone, I'm pretty confident that I can control it to where I want it to go. It'll bring that down. We'll shut that off. I'll just get my here.